6,000 years ago, we had land, we had a crown. Now we got stories and scars. 6,000 years back, before the empire flags, we were farming bays, not running with bags. Mountains in our blood, drums in our chests. We weren't refugees, we were rulers at best. Before borders, before names on the map, we stood as one, never fell in the trap. But the hand came marching with fire and steel, tried to break our spirit, tried to bend us to kneel. Couldn't beat us straight, so they poisoned the cup. Bottle leaders with silver, watch the kingdom corrupt. When brothers turn enemies, that's fatal damage. No wall can stand when the inside is fractured. Hmong don't love Hmong, tell me who will? We sold our land for silver crowns for a deal. Now we scatter worldwide, still paying the bill. Lost the whole kingdom, but we breathing still. Hmong don't love Hmong, history's proof. When brothers divide, the enemy shoots. No land, no flag, but the pain is the truth. We lost the kingdom when we lost our unity. They promised protection, status and name, but every handshake was part of the game. Statues got built while villages burned. Titles were given while children were turned. Sold out locations, sold out the kin. Enemy boots where our homes have been. You can't blame one clan, this cut too deep. It's a lesson written in blood we keep. From Yellow River down to Yellowstone, from Laos jungles to places unknown. Refugee camps, cold nights, no sleep. Whole generations born in defeat. But listen close, the same weakness taught. We survived everything meant to make us stop. Empires fail, but we still exist. A nation with no country, still throwing fists. Hmong don't love Hmong, that's what they say. A warning from elders passed down this way. We gave up land, now we roam and pray. Still searching for home in a modern day. Hmong don't love Hmong, but that's not fate. That's a choice we made that we can't erase. We lost the crown, we lost the place, but we still got time, we still got grace. We were never cursed, just strategically played. Divided by fear and promises made. The crown's in the dirt, but the blood remembers. The fire still burns through the broken embers. Now we global, every continent touched, different accents, but the roots still clutch. Same last names, same scars we hide, same history they never taught in class. The same hate, this reflection time. If we don't heal, we repeat the crime. Unity ain't soft, it's survival math. That's how a nation finds its path. We don't need war drums, we need each other. Stop tearing down sister, cousin, brother. Cause the kingdom ain't stone, it's flesh and bone. If Hmong long, long, we rebuild home. Hmong don't love Hmong, let it start right here. No more selling souls to fear. We lost the land, but the people remain. Turn history's wound into strength, not shame. Hmong long love Hmong, say it out loud. From the mountains past to the future now. We were kings once, we fell as one. We rise together or not at all. No country, but a people. No crown, but a call, but a calling. History remembers what we lost. The future depends on what we choose.